I decided to stop at Smith & Edwards this afternoon to see what ammunition they have in their inventory, both rifle and pistol. 445 Casull, 460 Smith & Wesson Magnum, some 45, 44 Special, 10 millimeter, a lot of 10 millimeter. 40 Smith & Wesson, 327 Federal Mag, 32 Auto. That's about it for the pistol. Let's go over to the rifle section, rifle ammo. 30-06, 7 millimeter. That's a lot of 7 millimeter. 6.5 Creedmoor up there. .300 short, wind short. 300 Winchester Magnum, 270 Winchester Magnum, 224 Valkyrie, 243 Winchester, some oddball caliber, 22 Hornet, 264 Winchester Magnum, 270 Win, 300 Winchester Magnum, 308. It's quite a bit of 308. There's no 223 or 556 whatsoever.